Not know what's freaking wrong with the GTO. 1 minute is running hot, the next minute is running fine. Like now, it's running fine. I'm gonna show you the temperature, engine temperature. Can't really see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. Can't really see. Let me get closer. There you go. 158. Do not freaking know what's going on. 158 is the highest it's gotten so far. Water pump, but now I'm thinking it has something to do with my radiator cap. Coolant is flowing. I do have a 160-degree thermostat, but it's not in there. So I thought maybe my thermostat was clogged up. Looks like my oil pressure gauge is starting to work again. I don't know what to say about the goat. 1 minute it's running hot, next minute it's not. So I guess I just have to wait till a good hot day. Right now it's probably somewhere in the low 70s. So I'll probably wait